Hey, what up, y'all? How everybody feeling today? So look, dig this. I'm about to take y'all to one of my favorite spots when I just want to get out the house, go clear my head for a little bit. And also, I'm explaining to y'all reasons why being outside or getting outside is important. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. I got more coming for y'all, man. I appreciate y'all, man. So like I was saying earlier, part of me making this video was to share with you guys some of the reasons why it's important to get outside. The first one, the biggest one that I get out here and I come out here for is to relieve stress. You know, sometimes being in the house because it's closed in, those walls sometimes feel like they closing in on you. So for me, to open my mind, I like to get outside, get into an open area, and that also helps with my anxiety. A lot of people don't know this, but I have like severe anxiety. I mean, it gets bad, especially when I'm getting ready for a big project or when anything's going on, man, things get stressful. My anxiety definitely goes crazy, so getting outdoors helps with that. Secondly, or thirdly, I forget which one I'm on, but it boosts your immune health to be outside. You know what I mean? Like, get outside. The frequencies from the plants, the vibrations, they really do help to our immune systems and our mental health. Being inside, man, you get so sedentary. You sitting, you're not moving, you're not getting active. I like to come out here and just breathe, taking some of the fresh air. You know, a lot of people don't have access to this, but you know, you can go on a hike through the neighborhood. You could be a tourist in your own city just trying different things, man. Like, this view, it's beautiful, man. I love it out here. I love Cali. That's why I moved out here. But you know, also when you come outside, it helps for the mind to sort of expand, and our mind works best when it's open, like a parachute. You know what I'm saying? So I encourage everybody, get outdoors, go hiking, go for a run. If you can't run, go for a walk. If you can't walk, get on a scooter. There's no excuse nowadays to not get outside, get out the house, get off the TV, get off the PlayStation, get off the Xbox, get off the computer, get off your phone, get outside, bring a book with you, read a book, and you know, do something to move your life forward. And this is one of the best ways to do it, man. I love living in Cali. I'm blessed to be out here in Los Angeles. I'm blessed to have this in my backyard. This is literally my backyard. And like I said, I encourage y'all to get outside. It's important to get outside, man.